Good day all, this is TJ, the Park Bopper, coming to you today from Disney Springs. I'm here on the first day of September, Labor Day, to get that first day of the month cookie at Gideon's Bakehouse. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, hanging out at Disney Springs a little bit, let's do it. All right guys, I just got in line, got my menu. It appears to be an 80-minute wait at this point. Hopefully that'll move through quickly and we'll get on to this pumpkin spice cookie. Here is the menu for September. Pumpkin bread chocolate crumb cookie. Hopefully that'll be pretty good. I know that whenever Gideon's does a chocolate cookie, they tend to, or they do a combination flavor cookie, they tend to go heavy on the chocolate. Let's hope we can really taste that pumpkin come through as well. And see the Maximilian Wizenwell is the character. Kind of cool art there. And I saw online too that they're having some limited edition pins and merchandise for this character. Might be something you want to pick up. All right guys, so we just got in the door here at Gideon's. You can already smell the pumpkin spice in there. Some of that merchandise. You can see the t-shirt back there. But if any of these characters freak you out, I think they're all really cool. I would say if there's one, it's her. Alright guys, so this was the limited edition cake that they had for the last few days of this month. They must have a few left for D23. So you can see a sugar cookie filled with coconut and ube jelly. That looks pretty good. You've got, of course, the peanut butter and the chocolate chip and the banana bread chocolate chip cookie. Right, I got a bag of bites and the cookie of the month has been procured. Guys, as you can see, it is a Poppin' Holiday Monday here at Disney Springs. Let's do a little 360 here. Alright, we're at the West Side Starbucks here, directly across from the Star Wars Galactic Outpost. Alright guys, so just wanted to show you, this is my drink for this month that I kind of invented. It's the non-dairy salted caramel cream cold brew, but I add pecan flavoring instead of the vanilla syrup. I find that that's a really good way to kind of get in the holiday feeling of things. Alright, so here is the Gideon's cookie. You can see that is definitely a big cookie. Each one of these are 8 ounces. Very crumbly cookie. All right, let's give this a shot. See how it is. Actually, they held back on the chocolate this time. I am really impressed. The flavor is delicious. You get more pumpkin bread than you do anything in this cookie, which I think is awesome. Just enough chocolate to accent the cookie and not to distract from the pumpkin bread flavor. That pecan syrup is excellent. Definitely something that highlights the coffee. Doesn't overwhelm it. Something I would highly recommend. I just love these little chunks of pumpkin. My wife said, I think we've had this one before, but I don't believe so. Excellent, excellent flavor. As you get more toward the center of the cookie, you do get a little bit more chocolate. All right, and something I definitely recommend is go ahead and pick up this pumpkin bread cookie. It's, I'd say this is probably up there in the top 5 of the best cookies I've ever had from Gideon's, but that's telling you something. Now, one other goodie that I got, and I recommend that if you want Gideon's to share, this is really the best way to do it, because each one of the cookies is like 4 common size cookies. These are the chocolate dipped cake bites, which is a quarter of a cookie. You can see dipped in chocolate. So I got this for my wife, thinking because she's having a procedure tomorrow, she can't have anything to eat today. This might be a kind of thing to do for tomorrow, to have something ready for when she can eat. Again, she loves chocolate, so I think this will be right up her alley. Chocolate dipped peanut butter cookie. Nothing simpler, and really my wife's favorite. So I'm excited to give this to her tomorrow. All right, guys, so I think we are done with our cookies here. With what we can eat here, they're so rich and flavorful and filling. It's really hard to even finish just half of a cookie, let alone a whole cookie. And definitely, if you get 1, get 2, or get 3, something you can have for several days if you like. I just think we're gonna hop into Marvel superhero headquarters here and see if there's any new merchandise that looks interesting. All right, and here we go with Marvel's First Family merchandise. Cool Fantastic Four shirt, a tumbler, love that, and the hat, which is really cool. I have one of those. And the tumbler is $49.99, and the hat is $29.99. And we have that sweater for $49.99, and it looks like we have some like retro figures here. We got Sue, Mr. Fantastic, the Human Torch, and the Thing. Cool. You've got Marty Abrams down there, signature coin in the front, limited edition of 4,000. Wow, super cool. Price is $89.99. We got this Deadpool hat from Wolverine and Deadpool, and then the jacket for $79.99. Love that. Retro coffee cup with the Avengers Assemble logo on there. All the different heroes logos. Cost of that is $19.99. It's really cool. All right, guys, and you can see they've got the Dr. Doom mask already out here. Waiting on that new Avengers movie Doomsday coming out soon. You can see the price of that is $139.99. I don't know if this is going to be accurate to the film, but we do have the Daredevil visor. $79.99. It's pretty awesome. Bullsunier for $99. As you can see, it's a really nice little shop here. The Heroes Outpost. Not too big. Bring the kid to a circle, 5 minutes, you're in and you're out. All right, guys, and with that, we are done for the day. We just wanted to pop over and get a sample of that cookie, see how it is, let you know. I would say it's on my top 5, again, top 5 of the best cookies I've ever had from Gideon. So definitely want to get over here and give a shot to. I also got a chance to look at some cool merchandise. Again, I am TJ the Park Bopper. Thank you so much for sticking with me, and to my new subscribers, welcome. Again, if you love what I do, please vibe, jive, like, and subscribe, and I will see you again soon. Have a great day, and happy Labor Day to all.